Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be taking a look at whether or not you can claim if you contracted COVID-19 coronavirus due to your employer not providing you with PPE. If you have any questions, we have a free phone helpline where you can talk to one of our team on a no obligation basis, where they'll aim to get you the help that you need if you've been the victim of negligence from your employer, which has resulted in you contracting COVID-19 coronavirus. Call us now on 0800 652 7676. We'll talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. If your job includes you dealing with members of the public, we believe that your employer is duty bound to ensure that they provide you with personal protective equipment so that you're able to carry out your job in a way that doesn't risk compromising your personal health and safety. Now, if an employer has failed to do this and it has resulted in you contracting COVID-19 coronavirus, you may be entitled to compensation, as your employer has a duty of care to ensure that they are taking all reasonable steps to ensure that their employees' health and safety is not compromised by providing any necessary PPE. And by not providing any necessary PPE, that may be seen as a negligent act in light of the current COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak. Now, we believe the most at risk are those who work in supermarkets, pharmacies, for delivery services, as a courier, or carers. Now, if you've fallen ill from COVID-19 coronavirus and you believe that it was due to your employer not providing you with sufficient PPE, then you may be able to claim. Now, because this is such a recent event, at present, there aren't any strict black and white answers to help define whether or not someone may have a claim, which is why it's much more likely to be on a case-by-case basis. Now, if you have contracted coronavirus and you believe that it was as a direct result of poor health and safety in your workplace, we will be more than happy to speak to you to help advise you on what we believe your options are. Simply call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 and we'll do all we can to assist you. Now, have you been affected by the COVID-19 outbreak? If so, let us know in the comments below. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.